Namaste friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am doing practice. So let's begin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And please don't forget to like and share it. In my previous video, you have learned words with U symbol. U की मात्रा वाले शब्द. For example, verb plus U plus law. Fool. A plus la plus U. Alu. Now I will teach you words with re symbol. Re की मात्रा वाले शब्द. For example, v plus re, vri, ka, sh, ksha. Vriksh. Vriksh means tree. Ma plus re, mri, ga. Mrik. Mrik means deer. Let's begin with some words and their pronunciation, and you can see the picture also. First word is re plus sh plus e. Re, sh, e, rishi. In this word, you can see first letter is a vowel. That's the reason we cannot use vowel symbol. And please note, whenever first letter is your vowel sound, then you cannot use vowel symbol. Rishi means sage. Next word is re plus the plus u. Re, the, u, tu. Ritu. Ritu means seasons. Next word va plus re plus ka plus sh. Va, re, vri. Sh. Vriksh. Vriksh means tree. Next word is ga plus re plus ha. Ga, re, gre. Ha. Griha. Griha means home. Next word is na plus re plus pa. Na, re, nre. Pa. Nrip. Nrip means king. Next word is ka plus re plus sh plus ka. Ka, re, kri, sh, ka. Krishak. Krishak means farmer. Next word is pa plus re plus tha plus va plus e. Pa, re, pri. Tha, va, e, vi. Pri, tha, vi. Prithvi. Prithvi means earth. Let's practice some more words. And this time, please try to read these words your own. I hope you will practice with me. Then only you will learn it. Ghrina. Now we will separate this word. Gha plus re, gri. Na, a, na. Ghrina. Kripa. plus re, kri, pa, a, pa. Kripa. Next word, Amrit. A, ma, ri, mri, ta. Amrit. Next word is Hriday. Ha plus ri, hri, da, ya. Hriday. Next word, Grahini. Ga plus ri, gri, ha, e, hi, na, e, ni. Grahini. Again pronounce it Grahini. So friends, you have learned Re ki matra wale shabd. Now your turn to practice more words. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Please don't forget to like and share it. And please subscribe my channel. See you, friends. Bye bye. Take care.